Hello YouTube, it's Alfred again with another video. This time we have the Work Pro 4-piece magnetic wrench organizing set. Bought this one on Amazon and I've seen great reviews on this wrench organizing set. So I wanted to purchase it and kind of see how it is and how it works. So let me go ahead and unbox it for y'all. It comes in two colors for these organizers. You can either place the blue for metric or standard and the red for the other. So it's super convenient to kind of place what style or what wrenches you want for what color. So yep, that's pretty much it. As you can see, there's two different styles here. Let me take them out real quick. So we have two different styles. This is more of the slimmer version of the wrench holder, the magnetic wrench holder. This one here, I believe, can hold up to 12 wrenches. It's magnetic, so you can attach it to your tool cart, your toolbox, attach it to the side of the side tray. However you want to go ahead and put that right here. However you want to go ahead and utilize that. So again, this smaller version, this more compact version, can hold up to 12 wrenches, as opposed to the larger version where they can hold up to 16 wrenches. So let me go ahead and take this out. So there's one. And then here, just want to show y'all my US General mini toolbox that I recently got. I got some Pittsburgh wrenches and a Husky wrench there, which is, I find that toolbox super neat. But here we go. So here is the 4-piece set now taken out of the box. This larger one here comes with 16 wrenches to hold magnetically. You can attach it again to a tool cart, to the tool cart lid, to the side of the tool cart, something like that. Obviously this is a mini toolbox, so it doesn't make sense, but you can definitely, and it has a really strong magnet hold. So you can attach it to multiple applications, but I wanted to find a solution because I am planning to get a US General 5-drawer cart upcoming in this next Harbor Freight sale that's coming up here in March of 2026. So I didn't have a lot of space in this 5-drawer cart, and I wanted to find possibly a solution where I could keep my wrenches, because I know the wrenches take up a lot of space in toolboxes, especially in smaller carts. So my idea was to kind of get one of these Work Pro magnetic trays, so then I can attach it to the lid of the US General 5-drawer cart, so I don't have to use the wrenches inside of one of the actual drawers where it will take a majority of the space. Let me go ahead and put some wrenches on here and I will be right back. Okay, so I have loaded up this wrench magnetic organizer here. As you can see, they fit perfectly. Starting from the metric, I have a 22 millimeter from Hyper Tough, the wrenches, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, all the way to a 9 millimeter wrench. So as you can see, they hold the wrenches perfectly. Same thing for the SAE side, from the 7/8 all the way to the 9/16, I believe. What is that? 5/16. So they're holding them perfectly. I don't have anything to kind of, I guess I can try to do it on this little. So there it is there. It's magnetic. to this little mini toolbox, which is amazing. Kind of show you the magnets on this piece. It doesn't come off. Shaking it very rigorously, and it looks like all the wrenches don't move at all. Let me try to shake it up a little bit. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, so it seems to be holding the wrenches fairly secure. The magnets seem to be very strong. I closed the lid on this little toolbox, and none of the wrenches shift or move. I started shaking them upside down, same thing. So it seems like they hold the wrenches in place very securely, which that's what I was looking for. In the back, there's this tab. You can hang it on the wall, on the nail, if you don't want to use it in the toolbox. It also has holes here. You can go ahead and screw onto a wall or a shop or something like that, or a shop, something like that, if you guys wish to. Same thing over the SAE side or the red one. So it has a tab. You can hang it on. It has holes. You can install screws in. The magnet, if you want to go ahead and place it on something magnetic while you're working on something or on a toolbox. So let me go ahead and take some of these wrenches off, and I will go ahead and apply them to this slimmer version and see how this holds up. Okay, so I'm back now with the smaller, slimmer version of the wrench magnetic tool wrench holder. This one here is the slimmer version. As you can see, for the metric side, I have from 9mm in the Hyper Tough wrenches all the way to the 20mm, no skip. And for the SAE standard, we have 5/16 going up to 3/4, no skips. Again, testing out the magnets on this one with the US General mini toolbox. Seems to hold on really well. The magnets aren't as strong as the larger version. As you can see, it kind of slid down as I shook them a little bit, which is to be expected. This is a slimmer version, so the magnets are significantly smaller. It's a thinner strip. As far as holding wrenches in place, putting them upside down, shaking them up, it seems to be holding the wrenches in place. They are shifting a little bit, but it's like, for example, you see the 16th here, it moved a little bit, but nothing too crazy. It does a fairly good job of having and keeping the wrenches in place. So yeah, so here is the look of the WorkPro 4-piece magnetic wrench organizing set. These two would be the slimmer versions, if that is something that you are wishing or wanting for your toolbox or to have carrying around. I think this one is a nice slim version. It doesn't hold as much. This one holds up to 12 wrenches as opposed to the other ones holds up to 16. So I guess it all depends on your needs, but either option I think are pretty good. I would say that because this one here has smaller magnets, it does shift a little bit when you're shaking it or you're moving in the toolbox. But as far as them sticking on, as you can see, I don't think that's an issue. I think if you start shaking it, which I don't know why you would, unless you are moving your tool cart with the lid open and it starts moving, then that can be something that you can see. That can be something of a problem, but I don't imagine most of folks, having the lid open, moving, the tool cart or whatever it is that you need that vigorously. So either way, I think these WorkPro magnet wrench holders are a good for the value, for the price. I believe I paid $22 for all 4 pieces on Amazon. So I think it is a great value and a great product. I will go ahead and use these with my tool cart And yeah, see how they hold up. But so far, first impressions, I'm very impressed, and I can't wait to start using them. Thanks everyone for watching.